This is a brand new 2012 Ram truck. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a folding rear seat, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a full-size spare tire, privacy glass, stability control, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Ed Martin, the only name you need to know for all your transportation needs. 6 convenient locations, 9 different manufacturers, over 3,000 new and used vehicles, all online at edmartin.com. Log on to edmartin.com today.